Hey guys, Ethan here, back to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the brand new Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Fearless. Before we start, remember to like this video, comment your opinions or any questions, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, remember to check out my cook group at redrop.io on Twitter for the best early links, information, and more. Alright, let's begin. So here's the box. What's pretty cool about this box compared to other boxes is that they inverted the colors and it's all red with black accents and a black big swoosh. So that comes with all the Fearless collection boxes, which I find really awesome. It's just, I don't know, a fresh change. I have a size 10 right now that I'm reviewing. Really nice, clean. The size label, again, I'm pretty sure it's different. I'm not sure about that though. Open up the box. What's pretty cool is it comes with this card. And obviously, just another small touch that isn't needed, but it just makes the overall unboxing and just shoe better. It reads Fear in big letters crossed out, which is the Fear logo that they're pushing. And then this motto, limits like fears are often just an illusion, with Michael Jordan's signature and the Jordan logo. And this motto they're trying to push throughout the entire collection, hence the name Fearless. And this is seen all around the shoe. So like right here on the wrapping paper, it repeats his motto, limits like fears, always just often just an illusion. Open it up, and you have the sneaker. So let's move this box out of the way. So, first thing you see, you have 3 sets of laces, red, white, and blue, and then a 4th set on the actual sneaker, which is in black. So a lot of options. And you have this little rubber keychain thingy that they put on the shoe. As you can see in a lot of Jordan 4s, they have these, but this time it's shaped with the Jordan logo. It has Fear kind of like embroidered onto it. I don't know, it's like a little, I don't know how to explain it, but it's pushing out a little. So you have the Fear logo, and then the quote that Michael Jordan said, the famous one, limits like fears are often just an illusion. And so this sneaker is really pushing out this message a lot. It's a really bold sneaker too, which, I mean, Fearless being bold, it kind of symbolizes that, if that makes sense, because with the, like, it's really popping, right? Like, you can see the colors, it's not really like silent, it's something that pops out. You have the red patent leather right here with the white, and then switching to the blue, which is kind of like a horizontal, or yeah, like a horizontal version of the homage to homes instead of vertical. Really nice. Red soles, and like I said before, this is patent leather, so it is going to be a little more uncomfortable if you're trying to wear them, but they're going to crease a lot harder because the leather isn't as easy to move, I guess. It's stiffer. The insoles, they say the same message all over. It's white. I don't know if you could see that really, but it's white and has that message repeated. And that's pretty much it. The tongue label is all white with a red Nike text. And the color blocking, it's just absolutely magnificent. Like, I just think it's beautiful. The colors are really, really like flashy. They're nice colors. Right here on the Jordan logo, it's like embossed kinda. There's like a little like clear glass sort of thing on top, and then inside you see the Air Jordan 1 logo in gold, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, that's about it. Alright, let's talk resale. So these retailed at $160, and they released on November 2nd, I believe. They released on Foot Locker and on a bunch of other different sites. They were not too limited, but they were pretty limited compared to other Jordan 1s. I think personally that in around 7 to 8 months, all sizes are going to go up around $50, under 11.5. If you have any sizes 11 and above, it's better to just sell them now because they're not going to be crazy. But if you have 9.5, 9, 7, 7.5, etc., I definitely keep those. However, if you only have 1 or 2 pairs, it's not worth it. Just sell them quick, get that money, and then move on to the next sneaker, like the Claws, the Travis Air Force 1s. There are a bunch of shoes that you can still resell, and it's not worth having that $160 tied up. The quality control on these, absolutely like amazing. Like, you can't beat it. They done so well with this. I don't see any glue marks, I don't see any flaws. Most pairs are coming in practically perfect, and it's just they did a really nice job. If you are looking to buy these for resale, right now is the best time, probably on StockX. Go might be a little more expensive, or in person, you know, sneaker conventions, those are always good to buy.